how to delete all posts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete all posts on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to delete all the posts on Facebook, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook application, what you want to do is make sure to basically tap the profile icon from the top left. Now tap the three dots option here, then go to manage post. Then once you go to manage post, you can tap the filters option and then you can select posted by yourself and go to today or wherever else you prefer, and then just tap on done option. Once you've done this, you'll be able to see a list of posts that you've created. So now all you have to do is go ahead and then basically select these posts over here. And once you select this post, what you can do is at the bottom you'll find the little delete icon, tap on it and then just tap on the delete post option, and then you should be able to delete this successfully. This way you'll be able to delete all posts on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.